For years, we were sold the mentality of more sales, more leads, more traffic, more revenue, more employees, more locations in order for us to grow as a local business owners. But here is the truth. The more we chase, the more it pushes us deeper into what I call it the survival trap. You scale your business, your revenues, your numbers, but you lose the reason why you started your business in the first place, which is freedom, family, and peace. That's why I started the movement called Peace to Profit. Because if you scale your business and you lose your health, your time, your family, your freedom, that's not growth. That's a trap. Peace is the new profit. So if you feel stuck in the survival trap, I have built a balance quiz where it gives you a score where you at your business right now and 7 steps, 7 customizable steps on what you can do right away in the next 7 days in order to break free from the survival trap. It's 100% free, no string attached, nothing to sell. If you want break free from your survival trap, click the link below.